Dad, you didn't go to college.
Didn't stop me from getting the nickname.
So, are y'all going to be here for this? I don't think Jackie's going to be cool with that.
Well, Steven, everybody needs support.
Bacharoo.
I left the circle by making a really bad mood. And then I met these very nice people, very Krishnas. They sang me a song, they gave me some rides, it was just a little pickup I needed. You know, I haven't had to make dinner, I'm not going into their band.
Yeah, those freaks were hassling me once, too. When they weren't looking, I stole 5 boxes of Thin Mints. Also, those were great. Well, I think this is a big mistake. So when this blows up in your face, don't come looking for me. I'll be busting up from the space station.
Maybe Donna has something she wants to ask you.
So, Jackie, we were all thinking that you might have to leave for a while since you're out of triple birthday.
I'm so sick of this. I don't have hard times. I'm Jackie Bookworth. I'm the voted head cheerleader with the largest margin in cheerleader history. Since I have a wonderful life.
You're the Jack that doesn't prison, your mom.
You know, I'm sorry, Donna, because you're just not popular enough for me to live.
I'm not popular now? I was doing you a favor because I felt bad for you.
You don't, okay? I don't need to be a good teacher today.
Fine. There's the door. Only hit your popular little butt on the way out. Fine.
Well,
And that is how you make a canoe out of banana skins. It's lovely. See, there's nothing to worry about.
Great. Then we should get going. Oh, don't go. Oh, it's such a pleasure having
Uh,
someone so exotic in our home.
They
kick it over like.
Well, maybe it's because I'm so handsome and not at all creepy. And by the way, I see when you look at your lovely ass. Hey, I was talking to you, Mr. Mateo.
Honey, you are really broadening your horizons. Having a friend like this is going to look great on your college application.
Yes, we always enjoy meeting you, Miss Friend.
Oh, you keep calling me her friend. Don't you mean her boyfriend?
Boyfriend?
That's so funny.
But you can't be her boyfriend
Why not?
because you're... what's the word, honey? Okay, different.
Oh, I see. You mean that way?
That's no.
I think I'll be leaving now. Good day.
There's wait.
I said good day. And by the way, I hope you do not have a good day.
And then when I asked her to look at me, she said I'm not freaking popular. Am I not on the radio all the time as Hot Donna? Okay? There are Hot Donna posters all over town objectifying me. Is Jackie being objectified? No!
only said that because you embarrassed her in a room full of people. You're going to get a telephone. The only thing missing is Jerry Lewis.
So it is my fault because I didn't ask her right?
Okay. How about when you're mom? Think about how you would have felt. You walk into a room full of people. Everyone's talking about how sad your life is, how much they pity you.
Yeah, I guess I get that.
I'm just saying that Jackie needs a place to stay. It'd be really cool if maybe you could ask her in a way that doesn't make her feel bad.
Fine. But she's not calling me popular. Okay? Unpopular girls took their free Slurpees from Tommy at the 7-Eleven.
Donna, 2 years ago, Tommy tried to jump a school bus on his moped. He didn't make it. And now he gives everyone free Slurpees.
Oh, milk. Come hither.
So you see, Jackie,
Or no.
The reason I asked you to stay with me before is because
Let me see your
well, you
ass.
were right. I am unpopular. Go on. I'm too tall. And red hair is gross. And well, if I don't do something soon, my unpopularity is gonna follow me to college. Unless you help.
Get off of the table.
Please come stay with me. Jackie, help me be more like you.
I'm done here, yo.